me to go to Bears control. Yeah, we're down 300 again, Mark. I'm just waiting for my charts to load. For anybody that traded the Algo, the 15-second this morning, made $100 on an Apex account. Made $400 for the week. Not bad for 5 hours worth of trading. On the bottom screen, on the bottom of the screen, or the bottom chart here on the screen, I've moved Algo 3.2. I sent Sean screenshots of the 40 range. Area as of yet, you guys, somebody can quickly check. Sean has are up. All right, guys. Get charts. We'll wait till 8:30 until we get past non-farm payroll, which it may give us. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Take one at 64.
Order filled.
Got it. Now it's just free.
Order submitted.
Stop is even. Whatever it do. Whatever she do. Let's go 635.
Order filled.
Not today. Crude is short K on the Algo.
How'd that do yesterday for you?
Don't recall, because I'm trading on the same account, so I don't remember.
Oh, gotcha.
Let's see what crude looks like here.
Yeah, it's a fair flag in my opinion here. So
yeah, I'd like to see this break down below 54. Well, it would get first target at that point if it gets 54. Would get the first two targets.
Order canceled.
Target one hit and filled. Target one hit and filled on the Algo. All it can do now is break even. I like NASDAQ long, guys, above 35, 37 area. Need this to break 54 or so. No real momentum to the downside. This could bounce back to 79. Top of the hour coming here, guys. Come on, this thing is 3 ticks away from literally dropping. No.
Order
All
canceled.
right, out. There's 9 o'clock. All right, guys, we're off. Let them cook around for a minute here, guys. Sellers.
Order
I took
filled.
1 off.
Order
Put in
filled.
a short-term bottom. I took 2 off. Come on, breakdown.
Order submitted. Order filled.
3 off. Crew just took a short on the Algo. I'm holding 2 here, guys. Need to break, get below that pivot. Crude's going to go to a loss. It's not.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order canceled.
You fucker.
Order canceled. Order filled.
First losing trade on that 40 range.
Order filled.
Order filled on what? Head to 627. I'm going to take a long. Shit. Too fast. We're going 627. They just jammed.
Bastards. Let's get a long out of this.
Say again?
Said I'm going to look for a long out of this now.
We just hit that target I had.
Order submitted.
All right, we're long on ES on the Algo, the 40 range. If it breaks, come on. Look at this. It hits target and doesn't fill. You gotta be shitting me. Or do I have lag?
What do you mean? Where's your price? 22.5. I'm going to go long at 80.25.
Price is at 26.
30.
Order canceled.
Got target.
Order canceled.
Got both targets. 40 range got both targets. Hang on, guys.
Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That's because the trade copier isn't closing trades.
Oh.
All right. ES went long, got target. This is all running on the same account. ES went long and got target. The 40 range took a losing trade on the first trade. Was negative. We got, call it 40 and 80 ticks.
I'm going to take a target of 24.75.
Okay.
Order canceled.
And now out. There was no signal there. I don't know what it could have taken a short on. There's no signal.
Go short below 73.
ES misses by a tick. 2 ticks. If it goes back through that pivot, it's going back up.
Order filled.
Out.
Canada-U.S. statement saying they've concluded negotiations on a technology safeguards agreement.
Come on. Missed me by a stinking tick.
Order filled.
Got 1. 5 is my target.
Order filled.
Got targets. Now we could get blasted here. This could get blasted if it breaks here. You guys good?
Another target for me at 84.
Order canceled.
Got target 1.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All right. 3.1. Green again. I'm done. 3.3. Green again. I'm done. 3.2 is in a trade. It's got a long way to go to get targets. Guys might want to, I mean, 115 ticks is a humongous trade. If this breaks below 42, it'll get that target. I mean, it just, was up nice, but when was the video release? Any idea? No clue. And I don't. You're not getting those accounts, Anthony. There is a possibility. I mean, this has a shot now.
7% prior.
If you guys are in this trade, think about the size of that target, right? That is an unusually or an inordinately big target. So trade it accordingly. And I'm telling you, the delta is BS. We've got to break down below 63.50 first. And we held it. We held 63.50. So now we're going to put in a higher low. We're consolidating. I think it's going to blow out to the short side. It's only 1,100 on the negative delta. So if you've got it, again, if you're in front of your computer, you have the opportunity to take the trade off. At 1 times average true range today is 115 ticks. It's almost 30 handles. We take out, and we're now below 1,000 on the delta. We're at 800, 850. Okay? This is going to get whacked.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm not letting it go. What I'm trying to do is give you guys education on how to read it. It gave a nice trade. I guess I shouldn't have killed that trade.
Listen, it's what you do in front of people trying to make sure you secure their money. That's huge responsibility. So yeah, you did fine.
That's 144 plus 228 divided by 4 times 20. This is a $2,000 trade right here, guys, that I killed. Woo! You are definitely using different settings, though. That's more than an $1,100 trade. I mean, listen. Yeah. 114 ticks, Ray. And 228 ticks. It's 342 ticks. Okay? Divided by 20. Oh, I'm sorry. 342 ticks times $5 a tick. It's an $1,800 trade. I don't know how you made $1,100. The trade was on the algo that I killed. Yes. Listen, my worst trades, if I'm being honest, my worst trade, or the worst thing I have done historically is kill trades that end up winners. But that took a dump truck full of heat. That was probably that would have probably killed my trade anyways at 1,700. I mean, it was a lot of heat on 2 contracts. Got targets. Going to sell further on the ES.
Order submitted.
ES just took another short. I've shut down all Apex accounts. except for this one here, which if I get another trade, I'll take it. Algos have made money. Manually trading has made money. I'm good with it.
Target filled.
There it is. Target filled. Hit target. There it is. Oh, freaking hit target. There
Target
it is.
filled.
You're welcome, Justin, man. See you tomorrow, brother, or Monday. See you Monday. This is just crackhead stupid.
Canceled.
There's target.
Order canceled.
Target one and got hit on the pullback. You can't even read price action on this. It's just not. It's I can't even. I mean, I can't. It's too fast. I'll be 1 minute. I mean, this is just crazy because I'm not trading ATR. This should be trading ticks. The volatility is just off the chain, guys. Off the chain.
Target filled.
ES up 687.50 on the algo. Guys, anybody running ES algo? Anybody running it? Anybody? No. Okay. Give me your total.
Order filled.
Sold 5, holding 5. Come on, you.
Order filled.
Flat for now. It's trying. We're below 1,000 on the net negative delta. The 5-minute is in a long. We're definitely longs. Yeah, definitely longs. Definitely longs. Yeah, Wapner's on at 4. I want to try this again. I don't think that this loses 78 on a pullback. This may hold 87. It just did once. I'm going to try this again.
Order filled.
87 should be good support. Okay, Brandon, nice. Really,
Order submitted.
ES is short. ES,
Target filled.
another target on ES algo. Still longs, guys. This should get to 45. Where's your target?
44.
Yeah, I got the same target, 46, 45, 46. Just doesn't want to fire it up.
Order submitted.
Another trade. That's on crude.
Short? Short crude?
Filled.
It is short.
Boy.
This should get here, guys. 44, 45. Here's crude on the algo. Come on, push. Let's go. 44. I'll take one off at 44. Come on, rat bag. A little bit of resistance right here, guys. Got to push through this 28. I'm going to take one off.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Holding one, break even stop.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm out on NASDAQ. ES is short again, along with crude. No, there's Algo signal. This should get target. Come on. Oh, one tick, two ticks. Don't do that.
Target filled.
There it is. Another target on the ES. Now up 962.50. This is support. Come on, crude. Come get a target.
Order canceled.
Target one hit on crude. I will take screenshots and send them to Sean for the member area update. Those of you that want to trade crude. Veronica, let me ask you a question. You're testing crude for me. Can you tell me where your crude is? I can show you guys all the trades and I'll do that. Yeah. We're not getting the same trades. That's odd. Let me just see something here. Discretionary trades, 6,070. Algo 3.1 up 575. Algo 3.2 down 1,500, but I closed a winning trade back-to-back days. Starting next week, I'm just letting them go. They go to a loss, they go to a loss. That's on me. Crude on the 144 tick at 360, but I had a trade in there I shouldn't have had because I had one setting marked incorrectly. The 40 range on the NASDAQ, I have up 690. And Algo 3.3 on the NASDAQ up 325. Another pretty good day for the Algos. Anybody have any questions?
How about that, Robert? I got guys here pouring concrete for me.
Nice.
Yeah. Did you go along there at 18 then?
Oh, yeah, man. I caught it.
Good job.
Was trying to get this to 63.
Short again.
Where's your short?
I'm just looking. Support here.
Once cuts in September, November, and December.
You guys probably heard that. Now they're talking about Goldman Sachs is saying 3 consecutive cuts of a quarter bip, September, October, and November.
Order canceled.
There's target 1.
Order canceled.
And out. $68, you short?